catch the boys in the action today. And yes, I'm having a fucking bad hair day. All right. Chris is out here. He's got the 74 Cuda in, getting ready to bleed all the brakes, get things ready there. Looking really good. There you go. Bruce is over here sanding away. Or maybe he's just sitting down taking a nap. Isn't that right, Bruce? Huh? Huh? Oh, you're awake. Okay, that's good.
That was rude.
I was rude, wasn't it? Mike's working away on the Karma Gia. Look at this. This guy's going to town here. Doing a beautiful job. Yeah, looking excellent. That's it. We'll go see what else is happening out here around the shop. Superior Doors, we'll give a shout out to them. They were over today. Our Metal Fab shop. See our nice little sign. This is Metal Fab. We got a roll-up door put on it today. So actually, that looks really, really cool. Kind of closes it in. This is just a little metal room we built for doing stuff. We're gonna, you know, drill press there, bigger drill press there. We got our parts washer. We got our metal brake and shear and roller over there. Bench here with all our goodies on it. We're slowly getting it together. But yeah, so they put a door in for us. I'm working away on the Camaro, which will be a separate video altogether for you guys. And then we got Sean. What's Sean up to? Uh-oh, looks like Sean's priming. Oh, Sean's just laying down the primer today. Sean's working away in here. He's got the doors off the 80 Chevy pickup that we're building. Priming up the inside of them. Got the tailgate he's priming up for the same truck. He's got the steps here. This is for Tim's truck, the 56 Chevy Pro Street. Tailgate there is for the 72 truck, that's the Pro Street. There we go. He's got lots on the go. So that is what is going on, and I'm working, which we'll do a video after, but I'm working away on the 68 Camaro, welding up all the wheel tubs, drilling out the holes on the inner side and spot welding them to where it belongs. Here, let me see if we can see this. I've probably ground it down, see? Spot weld, or plug weld, whatever you prefer to call it. Anyway, we'll do a video on that in a bit here, but that is what is happening today in the shop. So, and of course it's pissing down rain. So what else? What else is new? But it's November, so it's better than snow. There we go. There we are. All right. What are you doing there? You vacuum bleeding these things?
Trying to.
Trying to. Okay. That's what's happening. We only need enough brakes so we can hold the pedal just to do a burnout.
Oh yeah.
That's all we need.
That's all we do here.
That's all we do is burnouts. Not so much this year though.
No, it's been a bad year.
It was a bad year. No. 2020 sucked. There was no burnouts. Yeah. All right. Okay, guys, there you go. Another fun day in the shop. And that is about it. So remember, it's always a good time at Old Time. We'll see you next time. New shirts are on the way, the end of November. You can look on my site, oldtimegarage.ca, but the new shirts aren't on there yet, but that's where they'll be coming. Watch me again on Ricks_OldTimeGarage on Instagram, and of course on Facebook at Old Time Garage. Okay, it's always a good time at Old Time. We'll see you next time.